Hi guys, Terry here. It is a beautiful fall day in Columbus, Ohio. It's been raining really the whole weekend. It rained, and today it's just a big beautiful blue sky. So the sun's coming in, really pretty. And I was working on a quilt. I got my sewing station set up, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I had the sewing table, and then I had bought these two Alex drawers. It's the long, wide ones. They're working great. I've got all my tools and thread and all kinds of sewing goodies in those drawers. And then I've kind of got them pulled out here in a U shape, and it's working really good. Here comes my little helper. Here she. Hi, sweetie. So let me show you how I made the quilt. The pattern is called High Rise. Here's the fabrics I picked out. I just love this flower print and the owls, so cute. So I cut up the pieces. It called for 2.5-inch strips. You use some light fabric and dark fabric. I later learned that the 14.5-inch was for a trim, so I didn't need that piece. But these squares are 2.5-inch, 4.5-inch, 6.5-inch, 8.5-inch, and then you just need a 10.5-inch for the dark. It went together really well. These squares are just very easy to put together and cute. I don't know how, but some of my edges I had to trim. But I did learn that the block is made up of 9 pieces. And then here's how much fabric you need for each square. The crib size was 12 squares. I didn't like the blue and the yellow, so I decided to go back and make a couple other squares. But I really like my sewing setup. That U shape is really working well. But yeah, I thought it was a really good quilt for beginners. So here's a good look at the quilt. Hung it up on the wall there. This would be a good spot for a board. I think it turned out really cute. I love the purple, I love the green. And then the owl and the flower fabric is really cute, which is what drew my eye to the pack. So I love it. I need to go pick out fabric for the back and the binding, but I think it's going to be a cute little baby quilt. So thanks for watching. I hope this inspires you to get out your sewing machine and make something fun. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I will catch you on my next video. Thanks, everybody.